Hi friends, welcome to Chenna Tech Point. Today's session we are going to see Lambda in AWS. AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service and Lambda runs your code on highly availability compute infrastructure and perform all the administrations of your compute resources including operating system maintenance and automatic scaling and security patches deployment and monitoring and logging of your Lambda functions. All you need to do is simply supply the code. Go to AWS console, type Lambda, click on create function. Now I am selecting author from scratch. We will build a simple hello example from scratch. Here function name, we need to provide the function name. Here I am providing Lambda demo as a function name. In runtime, we need to select the language. Here I am selecting Python 3.9. Click on change default execution role. We need to select the any one of from these three items. I am selecting creating new role with the basic Lambda permissions. AWS it will automatically create the basic permissions for the Lambda. Click on create function. It will create one Lambda function. One Lambda function is created. Scroll down. Here you can see one Lambda function is created. Lambda function.py. Click on this file. In this code, it will create one method with the two parameters, event and context. It will return the status code and body. Here we are printing the event. Print the event. We done any changes. We need to deploy the code. Click on deploy. You can see successfully deployed. Whatever we done the changes that is applied to the Lambda function. Click on text. Here we need to provide the event name. I am providing demo. Scroll down. Here in event it will pass the three values with the key value pairs. Key is a key 1 and value is a value 1. Click on save. Again click on text. You can see we will get the response status 200 and we will get the body hello from Lambda function. In this way we can use the Lambda in AWS. Only we need to take care of coding part. Resources allocated by the AWS. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.